Before buying an FPV drone, there's one thing no product page will tell you. Most of them promise smooth flight and immersive views. But real users are complaining about laggy video, shaky footage, and controls that feel more confusing than fun. That's why today, we're cutting through the hype and showing you the 5 best FPV drones that actually deliver. Product number 1, Caru SRC GPS drone with 4.5 screen. First up is the Caru SRC GPS drone with a built-in 4.5-inch LCD screen on the controller. At $253.66, it sits in the mid-range price bracket and caught my eye because of its all-in-one design, no phone needed. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 4.5-inch HD screen gives you instant, lag-free live feed right on the controller, which is huge when you're trying to frame a shot or avoid obstacles. The 1080p camera isn't 4K, but it's sharp enough for crisp aerial clips, and the electronic image stabilization helps smooth out bumps during flight. With GPS and auto return, it'll come back to you if the signal drops or battery runs low, a lifesaver for new pilots. The 400m control range and 250m mapping capability mean you can explore decently far without losing connection. Now, some people complained about the lack of 4K video and the fact that the screen can get washed out in direct sunlight. Here's the thing though, this drone isn't built for pro filmmakers. It's built for beginners who want reliability and ease of use over cinematic specs. The screen might not be perfect in bright light, but it's still way more stable than relying on a phone app with Wi-Fi lag. This is perfect for you if you're just getting into FPV flying and want a solid, no-fuss setup with real-time video and smart flight modes like Follow Me and Orbit. Skip this one if you're chasing high-end video quality or plan to do aggressive acrobatics. This drone is more about smooth, stable cruising. For the price, it's a great entry point. Product number 2, Dazzlin P100 2K FPV drone. Next is the Dazzlin P100, a foldable GPS drone with a 2K EIS camera and a 4.5-inch screen controller, priced at just $126.82. That's less than half the cost of some others on this list, and with 5G transmission and 40 minutes of flight time, it punches way above its weight. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 2K camera with electronic image stabilization delivers surprisingly smooth footage, even in light wind. The 5G FPV transmission means less lag and a stronger signal compared to older Wi-Fi drones. You'll actually feel like you're in the pilot's seat. The dual GPS and optical flow positioning keep it locked in place, whether you're flying outdoors or indoors. Plus, with two 2000 mAh batteries, you get up to 40 minutes of total flight time, which is rare at this price. Now, some people complained about the build quality feeling a bit plasticky and the lack of 4K recording. Here's the thing though, for under $130, you're getting GPS auto return, Follow Me gesture control, and a built-in screen. That's insane value. The plastic body might not survive a hard crash, but for casual flying and learning the ropes, it's more than durable enough. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget but still want smart features, long flight time, and a reliable FPV experience. Skip this one if you need professional-grade footage or plan to fly in extreme conditions. It's not built for heavy-duty use. But for beginners and hobbyists, it's one of the best value picks out there. Product number 3, DJI Neo 2-Motion Fly More Combo. Now we're stepping up to the DJI Neo 2-Motion Fly More Combo, a premium FPV setup with goggles, motion controller, and 3 batteries. While the price isn't listed, DJI's reputation alone tells you this is a high-end experience. If you want immersive, responsive FPV flying with top-tier safety and image quality, this is the real deal. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 4K camera with a 12MP sensor captures stunning detail, and the omnidirectional obstacle sensing means you can fly confidently even in tight spaces. The DJI goggles N3 deliver a true FPV experience. You're not just watching a feed, you're inside the cockpit. Combined with the RC Motion 3 controller, flying feels intuitive and natural, almost like using your hands to steer. Active Track keeps you in frame automatically, and Palm Takeoff makes launching effortless. Now, some people complained about the complexity of setup and the fact that the DJI Fly app was removed from Google Play, forcing you to download it manually. Here's the thing though, DJI drones have always leaned toward enthusiasts, and the extra setup is a small price to pay for such a polished system. Once it's running, the experience is unmatched. This is perfect for you if you're serious about FPV flying and want cinematic quality footage with immersive controls. Skip this one if you're a total beginner or want something simple and plug and play. This is built for those ready to dive deep. If you're investing in your passion, this combo delivers. Product number 4, DJI Avata 2 Fly Smart Combo. Next is the DJI Avata 2 Fly Smart Combo, a drone built for adrenaline junkies and content creators who want acrobatic flight with ease. With a 155 degrees ultra-wide FOV, 4K/60 FPS video, and built-in propeller guards, it's designed to fly fast, flip hard, and capture every second in crisp detail. If you want an FPV drone that feels like flying a spaceship, this is it. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The motion control lets you steer with natural hand movements, no complex sticks to master. Even beginners can pull off flips, rolls, and 180 degrees drifts with one-push acrobatics. The 155 degrees field of view gives you that immersive first-person view, and the 113-inch sensor ensures great low-light performance. Now, some people complained about the short flight time per battery and the high cost of the full combo. Here's the thing though, the Avata 2 isn't meant for long surveillance flights. It's built for short, intense bursts of cinematic action. If you're filming POV clips for social media or just love the thrill of high-speed flight, the trade-off is worth it. This is perfect for you if you want to create dynamic, immersive content or just love the feeling of flying like a pro. Skip this one if you need long flight times or are flying in tight indoor spaces without clearance. It's built for open, fast-paced environments. For pure FPV fun, it's hard to beat. Product number 5, DJI Neo Motion Fly More Combo. Finally, the DJI Neo Motion Fly More Combo, a lightweight, ultra-portable 4K drone that weighs just 135 g and includes goggles, motion controller, and 3 batteries. It's regulation-friendly, doesn't require FAA registration, and can take off from your palm. If you want a high-quality FPV experience in a tiny, travel-ready package, this is the one. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 4K UHD camera with DJI stabilization delivers smooth, shake-free footage even in level 4 winds. Palm takeoff and landing make it incredibly easy to use, and the subject tracking means it'll follow you automatically while you hike, bike, or vlog. With the RC Motion 3 and Goggles N3, you get full immersive control. It's like having a cinematic drone in your backpack. Now, some people complained about limited flight time per battery and the lack of obstacle avoidance. Here's the thing though, at this size and weight, those trade-offs are expected. It's not meant for complex navigation, but for quick, creative shots on the go. The 3 batteries help offset the short runtime. This is perfect for you if you travel often or want a drone that's easy to carry and launch anywhere. Skip this one if you need long endurance or plan to fly in unpredictable environments. It's best for controlled, creative flying. For portability and ease, it's a winner. So which FPV drone is right for you? The Caru SRC is great for beginners who want a built-in screen. The Dazzlin P100 offers insane value under $130. The DJI Neo 2 and Avata 2 deliver premium, immersive experiences, Neo 2 for smooth tracking, Avata 2 for acrobatics. And the DJI Neo combo is perfect for travelers who want 4K FPV in a pocket-sized package. Each has trade-offs, but all deliver real FPV thrills. So let me know which one caught your eye down below.